This bow window here, assembled with 2 single hung on either side and 3 picture windows in the middle. It can be open, all 5 windows can be open, on each window separate on each side. It can be also made with a casement window, with a crank window. And this window right now, it's open with a metal cam lock, can stay in any position. It's actually double hung. You can open also from the top. It has night latches that allow to open window just a little bit for safety purposes from the top or from the bottom. Now, it's equipped with only 1 single cam lock, but if its window will be wider, it will come with 2 cam locks as well. Now, we assemble this window separately from 5 separate windows to make sure it's fit the home that we install the windows. It can come with a bench or without the bench to be installed. View from outside, bow window usually assembled of 5 separate windows. We're gonna bring the 5 windows and gonna assemble it for you on the spot. And this current window right now equipped with 2 double hungs that you can see on either side, but it can be assembled with different combinations, such as casement or even fixed windows, can be different size, tall and widths. What you can see, it's custom made on the spot. It's assembled with aluminum cladding from outside and with vinyl in the middle.